Hello, it's Zoe. I'm going to continue my top 300 by starting off with musculoskeletal system. Like last time, I'm going to start off with the generic, then brand, indication, and then the drug class. So, starting off with hydroxychloroquine, its brand name is Plaquenil. It is used for rheumatoid arthritis, malaria, and lupus, and it is an aminoquinoline. Acetaminophen, Tylenol, is used for pain and is an analgesic. Acetaminophen and butalbital, it's used for tension headaches and it is an analgesic barbiturate. Colchicine, don't know if I'm pronouncing that one right. Colchicine, Colchris is its brand name. It's used for gout. It's an anti-gout agent. Aldronate. Its brand name is Benosto and Fosamax. It is used for osteoporosis, and its drug class is bisphosphonate. Etanercept, Enbrel, brand name Enbrel. It's used for rheumatoid arthritis, plaque psoriasis, and psoriatic arthritis. It is a disease-modifying anti-rheumatic agent. Methotrexate, brand name Trexel, used for rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, and oncology-related uses. It is a disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drug and also has some anti-neoplastic properties. Aspirin, no brand name. It's used for pain, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, stroke, and acute coronary artery syndrome. It is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory. Celecoxib, brand name Celebrex. It's used for pain, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and is an NSAID as well. Diclofenac, brand names Cambia and Zipsor. It's used for pain, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. It is also an NSAID. Ibuprofen, brand name Advil, Motrin. It's used for pain, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. It's also an NSAID. Indomethacin, brand name Indocin. It's also used for pain, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and is an NSAID as well. Ketorolac tromethamine, brand name Toradol. It's used for pain and is an NSAID. Meloxicam, brand name Mobic. It's used for pain, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. It's also an NSAID. Nabumedone, no brand name. It's used for osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It's an NSAID. Naproxen, brand names Aleve and Naproxen. It's used for pain, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis, and it is also an NSAID. Buprenorphine, brand names Belcupa and Buprenex. It is used for pain and opioid use disorders, and it is an opioid analgesic. Fentanyl, brand name Duragesic, is used for pain and is an opioid analgesic. Hydromorphone hydrochloride, brand name Dilaudid, is used for pain and is an opioid analgesic. Morphine, brand names Avenza, Cadene, I don't know how to pronounce that, and MS Contin. It's used for pain and is an opioid analgesic. Oxycodone ER, also known as Oxycontin, is used for pain and is an opioid analgesic. Tramadol, also known as Ultram, is also used for pain and is an opioid analgesic. Hydrocodone with Tylenol, also known as Lortab, Norco, or Vicodin, or as I like to remember it, House's favorite drug. It's used for pain and is an opioid analgesic / analgesic. Buprenorphine / naloxone, brand name Suboxone or Zubsolv. It's used for opioid use disorders, and the drug class is opioid analgesic and opioid partial agonist. Baclofen, brand names Gabapentin or Lioresal. It's used for muscle spasms and is a skeletal muscle relaxant. Cyclobenzaprine, also known as Flexeril, is used for muscle spasms and is also a skeletal muscle relaxant. Methocarbamol, also known as Robaxin, is used for muscle spasms and skeletal muscle, and it is a skeletal muscle relaxant. Tizanidine, also known as Xanaflex, is used for muscle spasms and is a skeletal muscle relaxant. Lidocaine, also known as Lidoderm or Lidopatch, is used for localized pain and post-therapeutic neuralgia, and it's a topical analgesic. And lastly, allopurinol, also known as Alloprim or Xyloprim, is used for gout and is a xanthine oxidase inhibitor. So that's all for musculoskeletal. Next time I'll be talking about nervous system, and it'll be split off into 2 parts. Have fun!